Okay, this is the update on the Monster. One of the things we did last time is obviously put on the clip-on bars. We're quite happy with the position. What you can see here is there is a very tight touch. And actually, if you go all the way, it does make contact. Now, this is one of the issues with clip-ons. Once you put them on, you have to adjust your turning circle. Now, to do that, we have steering stops, which are round here, and you can just see, he says steering stops, which you can see are here. Now, I've lubed this up so it's ready to be adjusted, but the lock nut screw thing, you see it makes contact there. I've set my steering where I want it, so what I need to do is undo this lock nut, push through, and make sure I make contact with there so that it won't steer any further, so any time we get a tank slap or any issues like that, the steering won't wobble and hit the tank and fly you off. To do this on a Monster, all you need is a 13mm, and an Allen key, which is 2.5. So as I say, I've already lubed this up, so yeah, it comes straight off. Because I wanted to make sure I had enough motion there. Once you've got that adjusted, our goal then is just to tighten this off. Oh, that's going to be hard. As we go until we get in contact with the actual bump stop. Now, I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I have been told if we don't get this adjusted right, it is actually an MOT failure, because it's MOT is all about checking you're dangerous, and this of course is one of those things that could be quite dangerous, so that's why we get this adjusted right. The other side is actually clearing beautifully. It is just this side here, and I need to back off a bit more. And now that is not making contact. So we just tighten up that nut nice and tight. Don't want it to come loose. And now you can see at full lock, we are never going to make contact with the tank, both on this side and on this side. So that's full lock, all sorted. Alright, that's the last of the immediate need, so we should be ready for an MOT. Next up, we'll be looking at fairings and seeing how that kind of goes. Alright, thanks very much.